Hello, hello, hello. You guys probably know what this pink bag means. It means that Ipsy is here. Ipsy is here. Ipsy is here. So let's open this bad boy up and see what I got this month. So Ipsy is a monthly subscription box where you get something new in the mail every month. It's $10 and you get a makeup bag each month. That one is really cute. It has a rubberized Ipsy zipper pull on it, and a plastic zipper and this has a pink lining. This is really cute. This is up my alley for sure. And it says, "Swoon so hard. There's a lot of love this month aside from your 5 personal pick. Flip for more on those. Let us introduce you to the next beauty crush, Ipsy add-ons. Starting now, in addition to your 5 picks, you can pick any 3 product samples to add to your next bags, starting at $3 each." So there's that. If you want to join, you can go to Ipsy.com, and it looks like it tells me exactly what I have in here. So I'm not going to look yet at that, but I am going to pull out each product. Ooh, so this is a brush 380, it says. And I can already tell that it's interesting because it's different from other brushes that I have. It has a nice little flat brush over here and then a full puffy brush over here. Very nice. I can see myself using that. And then I have, what is this? Lip color. Wear alone for deeply pigmented color, or pair it with our Lip Lure gloss for a higher shine. And add our Vignette lip pencil for the ultimate dimension. So this is in the color I'll Bring Dessert, which actually looks like it's right up my alley. And it looks like a full-size sample. Ooh, and I really like that. So that is very pretty. And then next we have Glam Glow Glow Starter Mega Illuminizing Moisturizer in Nude Glow. Apply evenly to your face, wear alone, or layer with your favorite foundation. Can be used on the neck and décolleté. There's that. And then here's Australian Pink Clay by Sand and Sky. Flash Perfection Exfoliating Treatment. Always patch test before use. If you have sensitive skin, you might want to avoid massaging on your skin and leave it on your skin for 5 minutes instead. Not tested on animals. So I don't know. That looks like it's an exfoliator, obviously, I guess. And last but not least, I have Trick and Treat by Hey Honey. Active moisturizing cream with honey and propolis. Color correcting formula with treatment benefits. So this looks like it might be like a little bit of a foundation, maybe? So it goes on very smoothly and a little foundation-y, but that's okay. I mean, if that's what it's supposed to be, that's what it is. It's very moisturizing. It doesn't feel oily or greasy or anything though. And let's see, that that lipstick comes off pretty easily. So I don't know if I'll like that so much just because I like my stay on makeup. This one is the Glam Glow, which I can't open. There it goes. Oh. And it kind of has a little shimmer to it, or yeah, a little shimmer. I don't know if you can see that, but in real life it has a little shimmer, but it's pretty. And then this one is the exfoliating treatment. And yes, it is just exfoliating. It doesn't smell very good, honestly. Nothing really has much of a smell. So, I mean, that's kind of nice, I guess. It's not a bad thing. My favorite definitely is this lipstick for this month and the case. I love the makeup case. So let's see, what does it say? Aislinn Organics Eco Luxe Eyeshadow Brush. Brush with kindness. Not only does this baby gorgeously blend concealer and shadows, the brand gives a portion of the proceeds to Lipstick Angels, an organization that provides beauty services to cancer patients. Tip, use the blender side to blend shadow into your eye crease, the flat end to smudge shadow into your lower lash line, and the flat end to clean up your brows with concealer. Hey Honey Trick and Treat Moisturizing CC Cream. This brand uses the power of honey and propolis to create soothing, skin-loving formulas. Case in point, this multi-purpose color-correcting cream evens out your skin and leaves it glowy and gorge. Glow Starter Mega Illuminating Moisture in Nude Glow. Beloved by celebs and creators alike, this brand is adored for hard-working formulas that give you a goddess status, instant glow. Along with your iconic mud masks, this highlighting moisturizer is an Ipsy fave. Infused with iridescent illuminating pearl particles, it blurs your skin, reflects lights, and gets you gorge in no time flat. And then, oh, that's this one, sorry. The Sand and Sky Australian Pink Clay. This brand's founders, their sisters, share a passion for introducing unique Australian botanicals into skincare. This gentle exfoliator is made from Australian pink clay, which detoxifies skin, tightens pores, and majorly boosts your glow. Plus, it absorbs excess oil to nix shine. And then finally, this lipstick, it says, made by Northern Cali-based brand, inspired by the arts, made obvi by the Gourd Glam packaging. This creamy mauve color is made with argan and jojoba oils to coat your lips in hydration, soften, and nourish them. Swipe on lip color, then blot lips on a clean tissue. Apply a second coat for richer, longer lasting coverage. So that is everything I got, and I think it's a success. So I hope that you guys check out Ipsy if you are so inclined. And like I said, it's $10 a month and you get fun stuff every month in your mailbox. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.